Hi everyone, welcome from Acumen Accounting. Today's video is about furlough claims and HMRC inquiries. In recent days, we have seen a number of inquiries coming through asking for additional information on the claims which were submitted by the employers. And as we all aware, when country went into lockdown, everything kind of stopped. People were working from home, or they were not working, or they're unable to work, especially for the people who were working in the hospitality sector, kind of airlines, bars, clubs, hotels. They people were unable to work because of the coronavirus, because there was a restriction in place. We can't travel, we can't move around. For that reason, government have thought that they announced a number of schemes, including some easy loans and some self-employment income support schemes, and the furlough scheme was one of them. In the furlough scheme, what happened is your employer can claim from the government up to 80% of your wage, and they can pay you as normal because you are unable to work because of the COVID-19. So that was a very attractive offers, and people were kind of eased out. They still thought, okay, rather than losing a job, not working, and having a burden on the economy and claiming benefits and all these things, that scheme was welcomed by so many people. But now we are nearly end of these claims, because September is the last month where you can claim the furlough, because as far as I'm aware as an accountant, there are not many businesses now claiming any furlough, because everybody's kind of back to work and coronavirus is not a restriction anymore. And everybody kind of, I know all of them have their jobs for the vaccine kind of thing. So they've all been vaccinated and everything. The economy is now kind of going back to the normal. And the economy pace is really good. People are going out, staying in the hotels and all these stuff. So, but the main purpose of this video is to highlight the point where all these claims coming from the HMRC, they think your claim is incorrect, and they're asking now you have overclaimed and you have to pay the money back. So as an accountant, we advise you just to review your figures. Anybody can mistake. We are human, and sometimes it happens. In your calculations, you might have overclaimed. Go back to your calculation. Make sure you have correctly claimed that amount. If you're struggling to understand, just go to your accountants, ask for help. They will quickly review these figures and see if there is any overclaim. Just notify to HMRC, look, these are the money which we have overclaimed, and now we are willing to pay you back that overpayment, which is absolutely fine. Once you pay that overpayment back, there is no further action. But still, what we notice is the very common problem is because the country went into the lockdown, I think it was on the 22nd or the 23rd of March. So when the lockdown was happened, the Chancellor has announced that you can claim for the month of March. So most people have claimed the money from the 1st of March till the end of the month. But when HMRC look into your claims and they say, look, you were trading from the 1st of March to the 22nd of March. So technically, you shouldn't have claimed for these 22 days. You should have only claimed for the 8 days when the country went into the lockdown. But again, that's kind of a very technicality thing. But I strongly advise, speak to the professional, ask for further help, or just seek more information on it and get back to the HMRC and explain to them why you have claimed from the 1st of March. Is there any specific reason? Any guidance was available? What the guidance you have looked through, because it's a new scheme. Not many people are aware of it. And it's one of those things which is new for the accountants as well. So anybody can make mistakes. But I just strongly recommend you just go through and review your figures. And again, in some of the figures which HMRC is coming up and says your claim is totally wrong because your RTI was submitted late. We understand sometimes the RTIs can submit a bit late because if you're on a monthly payroll, or sometimes the information is not available, or if anything missing. RTI is a real-time information. When we submit payroll, it's kind of in a real time. Go to HMRC and they can look into the records. And some people have already on the payroll, but the RTA was submitted late. For that reason, HMRC said to the people, you are not eligible to claim. But they were saying, look, they were working, they were in the company. So all these technicality things, and I strongly recommend you speak to the accountants. So regarding the furlough scheme, if any inquiries come from HMRC, if you need further information and you want to speak to any of, regarding your claim, just pick up a phone. Or just go to our website, book a free appointment up to 60 minutes. One of our team members will happy to answer your queries. Again, thank you for listening us. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.